iPhone 13 series is relied upon to dispatch at Apple's California streaming occasion on Tuesday, September 14th. A new break in front of the dispatch has now tipped the capacity alternatives that will be presented with the forthcoming scope of cell phones. The Cupertino-based tech Goliath is supposed to be delivering 4 cell phones in the iPhone 13 arrangement. Close by the new iPhone models, Apple is additionally said to report the AirPods 3 at the occasion and sell them close by the AirPods 2. Apple's dispatch occasion can be livestreamed through its site or YouTube channel. Market expert Ming-Chi Kuo has said in an examination note, gotten to by MacRumors, that the capacity limit of the impending iPhone 13 models will begin at 128 GB and go up to 1 TB. The vanilla iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 smaller than usual cell phones are said to get 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB capacity choices. While the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are said to accompany 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB capacity alternatives. The 1 TB stockpiling alternative will be the biggest stockpiling limit presented on any iPhone model yet. For examination, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 small stockpiling limit begins at 64 GB and just go up till 256 GB. The iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max stockpiling choices maximize at 512 GB. Kuo has likewise apparently said that Apple will dispatch the AirPods 3 close by the iPhone 13 setup at the California streaming occasion. The expert predicts that AirPods 3 will either be valued higher than the AirPods 2 or will have a similar cost as the last stage model, which will then, at that point, get a value cut. In the two situations, Kuo says Apple will keep on selling the more established AirPods for individuals who lean toward that plan over the AirPods Pro like in waterway fit expected in the more current model. Apple's California streaming occasion is booked to occur on September 14th at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 10:30 p.m. East. You can watch the occasion through Apple's occasion page or through its authority YouTube channel. iPhone 13 series determinations, highlights. Past reports recommend that the iPhone 13 series cell phones might highlight a more modest presentation intent than the past emphasis, and furthermore bigger camera sensors. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are said to accompany better super-wide cameras. The vanilla iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 scaled down are accounted for to come in black, blue, pink, purple, red, and white shading alternatives. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max might come in black, bronze, gold, and silver shading choices. The whole iPhone 13 arrangement might get heftier and thicker than previously. iPhone 13 Pro Max is accounted for to get 18-20% bigger battery limit contrasted with its archetype. The Pro models may likewise get 120 Hz revive rate shows and may work at 60 Hz invigorate rate in low power mode. Past spills likewise recommend that the iPhone 13 might accompany a representation artistic video include that utilizes an electronic picture adjustment framework, otherwise called Twist. This will allow clients to obscure the foundation while recording a video. The optical picture adjustment and night mode highlights are likewise said to get streamlined in the new models. The iPhone 13 models are additionally supposedly getting another satellite component that is said to permit clients to communicate short crisis messages and convey SOS trouble messages in case of a calamity. It might just work in regions with no cell organization and just in select business sectors. The costs of the forthcoming iPhone territory were prior expected to ascend due to the worldwide chip deficiency, however ongoing reports propose this may not be the situation. Apple is additionally supposedly chipping away at further developing its Face ID tech. The impending iPhone 13 models may likewise accompany always-on display alongside the incorporation of Wi-Fi 6E.